Hi, fourth graders. My name is Mackenzie Stetler. I am a sophomore at Winona State University, and I am actually going to school to become a teacher, which I think is pretty cool. So today, our class was told to pick a book that we think you would all like. And so the book that I chose is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dog Days. I don't know if you can really see this cover. I had to have it on my iPad. But, so this is written and illustrated by Jeff Kinley. And it was absolutely my favorite book when I was in 4th grade. So, I'll show you some of the illustrations in the book, because there are lots of really cool drawings and pictures. So, this is one of the pictures from the page that I will be reading. Basically, this book is kind of just about the main character, Greg Heffley, and he's really looking forward to just kind of staying inside all summer and having a good time, maybe going to his friend's country club membership that he has and spending the entire time just by the pool. But his dad actually has some other ideas, and he kind of gets trapped when he lies about some certain things and ends up really embarrassed. So it's a really good book. So I'm just going to read a little bit of this book for you. So I'll start from June. So you can see that it's kind of, maybe, if it wants to focus. So you can see that it's kind of set up like a diary or a journal would be set up, which I think is really neat, and it kind of just goes with the whole aesthetic or theme of, you know, the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So, this reads, June, Friday. For me, summer vacation is basically a 3-month guilt trip. Just because the weather's nice, everyone expects you to go outside all day, frolicking or whatever. And if you don't spend every second outdoors, people think there's something wrong with you. But truth is, I've always been more of an indoor person. The way I like to spend my summer vacation is in front of the TV, playing video games with the curtains closed and the lights off. Unfortunately, Mom's idea of the perfect summer vacation is different from mine. Mom says it's not natural for a kid to stay indoors when it's sunny out. I tell her I'm just trying to protect my skin so I don't get it all wrinkly when I'm old like her. But she doesn't want to hear it. Mom keeps trying to get me to do something outside, like go to the pool. But I spent the first part of summer at my friend Rowley's pool, and that didn't work out so good. So, the illustrations have speech bubbles. So I'll read the speech bubbles now. So it's a picture of his mom. Man, I wish this would focus. So it's a picture of his mom pulling the curtain back, and he's playing video games in the dark. And his mom says, "You should really let some sunlight in here." And he hisses. Rowley's family belongs to a country club, and when school let out for the summer, we were going to there every single day. Then we made the mistake of inviting this girl named Trista, who just moved into our neighborhood. I thought it would be really nice of us to share our country club lifestyle with her, but 5 seconds after we got to the pool, she met some lifeguard and forgot all about the guys who invited her there. Alright, and again, the illustrations. So, there are not a lot of words on the books, on the pages. So, it's really easy to kind of just get through a chapter if you're not really into reading, and there's lots of pictures, so it's really interesting to see how the author kind of portrays all of this and what he's thinking in his head. The lesson I learned is that some people won't think twice about using you, especially when there's a country club involved. Me and Rowley were better off without a girl hanging around anyway. We're both bachelors at the moment, and during the summer, it's been better to be unattached. A few days ago, I noticed the quality service at the country club was starting to go down a little. Like sometimes the temperature in the sauna was a few degrees too hot, and one time the poolside waiter forgot to put one of those little umbrellas in my fruit smoothie. So that's kind of just a small little snippet from this book. It's really interesting, and I think you would really like it. But Do your guys' parents want you to go outside during the summer? And if so, do you complain about it? Or do you like going outside during the summer? Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you take the opportunity to read this book. It's really good, and I think you'll really enjoy it.